During this video segment, I want to show you how teachers can set up their class sections within the curriculum track lesson planner. This is a process that they probably will do either once a year or maybe 2 times a year, depending on how you structure your classes. So let's go ahead and show this process to you. So this is a teacher that has been using Curriculum Track for a while, but hasn't really used the lesson planner. So he's going to go to the class section setup. It says currently there are no class sections on record for this school year. So he'll click to add a brand new class section. And these courses are the courses that are attached to this teacher. In fact, if I go to the dashboard, notice here's the courses attached to him, and these are the maps that he has set up and so forth. So again, we'll go to class section setup. We'll add that in. So let's say that at the beginning of the day, he's going to start out with his middle school band. And so we'll go ahead and give the class section a name. So maybe we want to put something like third hour MS band. It's whatever he wants to call it so that he or she understands exactly where that fits. If you are a RenWeb school, you can also integrate your lesson plans with RenWeb. Doesn't look like this has been set up. Maybe RenWeb's not quite ready for this school for 2017 and 18, so I'll just leave that blank. And if you're not a RenWeb school, you wouldn't even see that. So let's click Add. So now that's the first class section. Then let's add another one, and let's say that in fourth hour, he teaches 5th grade band. So we'll just call it Band 5. Actually, let's call it 5th grade band. It's probably a little better. And again, we'll just leave the rest and leave it as active. Let's say that he has 2 sections of 5th grade band. Maybe it's a very large school. So again, I'd choose 5th grade band again. But in this case, let's say that this is 5th hour or 6th hour. 6th hour, 5th grade band. And we'll go ahead and click Add, and then let's add one more class section. And so let's say that it's going to be his concert band, and that's going to be during 8th hour concert band. Whoops, let's spell that a little better. And let's click Add. And if you need to reorder these, if for any reason you put them in the wrong order, you can move these down or up using these arrows. Or you can also click Edit if you have a typo, correct that typo, and you can change the position after and so forth. So that's how you set up the class sections. What that allows you to do is now if I go to the weekly planner, notice it will default to this week, but it'll have your class sections all set up no matter what week you go to. And it's all ready for you to start adding in your lessons and so forth. So that's how teachers can set up their class section setup, and that's probably something they're going to have to touch base for each new marking period. And maybe they'll have to add new ones, but maybe they just need to go in and edit those, make some inactive, add some new ones, or make inactive ones active and so forth. To do that, you just click on this and change from active to inactive. So this concludes this video segment on how teachers set up their class sections.